I'm your girl Tally, the newest instructor with Dance Compa. Join me, Caleb, and Anne for an hour class on Compa Social on Saturday, May 13th at Cayman Cove with DJ Mix and Monsieur Roro playing the latest Compa hits. Make sure you guys are ready to dance, and fellas, save a dance for me. Don't forget, our weekly Compa class will be coming back soon, so stay tuned. Bye! Then that's it, Compa.
Where's